Elevate your diecast collection with the Hot Wheels Boulevard 2024 Mix 4. This exciting assortment features a diverse selection of vehicles, each crafted with exceptional detail and precision. Perfect for enthusiasts and collectors, here's what you'll find in this premium case. Case contents: Ford Transit. Supervan, a unique blend of utility and performance. The Ford Transit Supervan combines the practicality of a transit van with the heart of a race car. With detailed livery and a robust design, this model stands out in any collection. Mazda 323 GTR, celebrating Mazda's rally heritage. The 323 GTR is a must-have for fans of classic Japanese performance cars. Featuring rally-inspired detailing and an aggressive stance, this model captures the essence of the iconic rally car. Custom 01 Acura Integra. GSR, a favorite among tuners and street racers, the Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR showcases modified aesthetics and performance upgrades. This model is detailed with custom graphics and parts, making it a standout piece. Meyers Manx. An icon of the dune buggy world, the Meyers Manx is synonymous with off-road fun. This model features authentic details that highlight its adventurous spirit, from the open-top design to the rugged tires. Tomaso Pantera, Gruppo 4, known for its Italian styling and American muscle. The Tomaso Pantera Gruppo 4 is a classic sports car that exudes power and elegance. This model is meticulously detailed, capturing the sleek lines and racing heritage of the original. Whether you're a fan of classic rally cars, tuned street machines, off-road buggies, or high-performance sports cars, the Hot Wheels Boulevard 2024 Mix 4 has something for everyone. Secure this diverse and highly collectible set today and enhance your die-cast collection with these meticulously crafted models.